Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the roll and the watches so you avoid scratches later. Clean each watch with a microfiber cloth and inspect spring bars. This prevents pressure points. Once done, lay the roll flat and open every snap or zipper so you can position cushions easily. Position watches with clasps closed to reduce movement. This is how you maintain shape and protect crystals. Make sure to keep one spare spring bar per watch. It helps if you need to secure a strap quickly. Next, focus on correct placement inside the roll so watches stay stable in transit. Insert each cushion and compress it slightly, about half a centimeter, so the watch fits snugly. Place the watch face up if the bracelet is loose or face inward if the crown needs protection. This reduces pressure on the stem. Once positioned, secure straps or snaps and confirm that no two metal parts touch. This prevents micro scratches and keeps automatic movement safe while traveling. Finally, close the roll carefully and store it properly so your watches remain protected. Fasten snaps or zippers evenly, not lopsided, to avoid warping cushions. Use a travel lock if the roll has one. Store the roll in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and magnets to preserve lubrication and dials. If a watch shifts during transport, reopen and add thin padding or swap cushion sizes to redistribute weight. Check spring bars and clasps to ensure nothing is loose before you go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.